Welcome to EnviroTube. Today we're at Russell Street in Pymble and we're looking at a site that's soon to be remediated. At the moment, this site is covered in weeds, disgusting, hideous weeds, but nature's little friends for those who are concerned. Nevertheless, these weeds have to go. We have morning glory, we have wandering dew, we have balloon vine. They have completely compromised the environmental values of this site. Well, here I am in the middle of some weeds. Morning glory is quite an interesting weed. It's a vine and it chokes trees. It's got a beautiful flower. I don't suppose you can guess where this came from. It comes from your gardens. That's where it comes from. It's not a native to bushland at all. It's also got something interesting that the seeds produce a chemical very similar to LSD. Unfortunately, it also causes liver damage, severe liver damage. So it's something to be avoided at all costs. Now behind me, you can see this vine growing up the tree. Balloon vine is a terrible vine for killing canopy, and that's probably one of the big no-nos in plant communities. If you lose your canopy, you probably lose the whole lot. Balloon vine also has a pretty flower, and guess what? It's come from gardens too. The majority of weeds in Australia are either pastoral escapees or garden escapees. Now blue gum high forest, this is very critically endangered, and we must do something. These trees, look at these trees. This tree's probably only 5-10 years old. Given enough chance, it will be 20-30 metres tall. They are absolutely majestic forest giants. Now balloon vine has these seed pods that have seeds in them, but it's actually called cardiospermum, and I think it's because of it's like the chambers of a heart. It's got 4 chambers. It's got these little black seeds in. This is a nasty weed. It's probably killed more trees in Ku-ring-gai than almost any other vine. Now, one of my concerns about weed removal is what happens to the wildlife. Fortunately here, there's very little wildlife because there's no real structure to the plants anymore. There's only a few trees and there's a lot of vines on the ground. By removing the weeds, we're going to be able to provide a structure and actually provide habitat for a wide range of wildlife. This site is a blue gum forest community. This means that it's one of the rarest plant communities to be found in Australia. So there's incredible pressure on Ku-ring-gai Council to do something about this particular area. It's using money from the environmental levy. Now for people who don't live in Ku-ring-gai, the environmental levy is a tax of $40 a year that every resident in Ku-ring-gai pays. There's about 105,000 people who live in Ku-ring-gai. This tax raises roughly $3 to $4 million a year and enables Ku-ring-gai Council to do a range of works that would otherwise be very, very difficult. Probably Ku-ring-gai Council is going to spend several $100,000 remediating this site. This is amazing. Here we are in the middle of Pymble in one of Australia's rarest plant communities, the blue gum high forest. Here we have a blue gum that can grow to over 30 metres tall, filled with nesting hollows. If you listen carefully, you can hear a cacophony of bird calls. It makes it a very, very special area. I hope you enjoyed this EnviroTube and really looking forward to seeing you next month.